Well, afternoon. It is Wednesday, July 2nd at about, 2025 at about 12:40 p.m. Boy, my weekend just got busier. Uh, got a phone call, came home, was tired, decided to do a couple things this morning and then go crawl in bed and go to sleep. That was about 9:20, 9:30. About 10 minutes after 10, I get a phone call saying, "Be out of the house by 11." I got somebody coming back over to look at it again. Huh? I want to sleep. But it is going to get it. That's good. The guys came back, looked at it, and decided to go ahead and uh, we're, I'm expecting paperwork sometime and got to put a signature on it and start the three ring circus really going. Yay! I really want to go to sleep. uh, and well, jumped up and started getting out of the house. Tried something new. Uh, have you ever heard of a deodorant on a washcloth? Kind of like a hand wipe, you know, the antibacterial wipes and such. Little like those, hand wipes. Well, they've got one that's a deodorant, antiperspirant. I tried it. I don't like it. Feels and it stinks. Eh, I can smell that over my cologne, and it don't smell good to me. Maybe to other people. I don't know. Maybe my nose is just weird. But yeah, needless to say, got out of the house. They got over here, did their thing, and I went down and got the car washed. I just got it washed Monday. Bird cracked on it yesterday. Right there on my windshield. Right above where my, yeah, right above where the windshield wiper works. As one of my friends, Dear Winter, says, "Physis occurreth." Yeah, shit happens. uh, it's okay though. Anyway, I went and got the car cleaned. Came back on the way back. I swung by and picked me a dinner and ate some Chinese food at my Texas Chicken Bowl. Uh, Thai food. Yeah. Uh, and talked with them. I'm gonna miss them. That's my favorite restaurant in all Amarillo. Uh, Texas Chicken Bowl. Highly recommend it. Uh, yeah, I got to eat that, and then I'm heading back from that. Swung into a place and got a couple of cards. Showed off my car. They're supposed to text me back or something, or I'm supposed to call them back. I forget which. I'm tired. She said the boss will be back on Tuesday. He's dealing with wife squirting baby. So, congrats on that. Hope it works out good. I'm tired. And now I got to stay awake to sign a paper and get this thing going. So, yay. And that's a good thing. need to have it done pretty quick. Should be able to get it done before I go. Uh, yeah. If not, things can happen electronically. Just have to leave somebody a power of attorney. I don't know. I guess I could have my boss do that or my aunt do that, one or the other, or my cousin Edith, except she works nights. Yeah, she's kind of like me. Don't like being out during the day unless it's a family thing, and yeah, barely wants to do that in most cases. Hey, she sleeps days. I understand. You get what you can get done during the day and try to get back to sleep. Yeah. So now I got to get this all figured out quick. That's okay. I've got it figured out. I just got to get him all moved. Yay. It is what it is. And it's a good thing. But yeah. And then I get home and I had a SSD drive that was bad. I sent it back. And now I'm getting an email from them saying that the package they got didn't, it was for something else. Well, yes, it was for something else. It was for my little jump drive 5-pack, little 32 gig jump drives, flash drives. That was the box that the SD drive went in. Had to call them and get that all straightened out and tell them, hey, go look, it's in there. Apparently, your returns people didn't actually open the box and check the return. So I spent a good 30 minutes on that. Amazon can be a wonderful thing, and it can be a very major pain in the butt dealing with them. Because sometimes stuff just don't go right. And the more you do with them, the more stuff don't go right. Because on the odds, say it's only 1 in 100. How many people deal with Amazon, in a day? 100,000? Yeah, I don't know. Maybe only 10, 50,000. I don't know. But yeah, 1 in 100 comes up a lot of times real quick. So yay. And then like with that suitcase that I got and had to send back, and now I've got the replacement for it. Actually, I actually like it. It's got actual locks on it, no zippers. I don't like zippers on luggage. It's not right. You can't really depend on zippers. Uh, Too easy to just cut it. Even if it's security zippers and all that, it still can be cut. Just the cloth can be cut. That's why I don't like soft sided luggage either. It can just be cut. So, yeah, I'm for zipperless, actual flip locks on them or solid locks, and a solid side. Soft sided stuff, just don't do it. You may be able to get more stuff in there, but that just puts you more in likely territory for having, oh yeah, overweight luggage. Yeah, that costs you too much. So it's better to know what you've got in there. Know that, yeah, this is how much volume you have. it's hard to go overweight. Well, you can't. I'm real close on a couple of them because of a radio in there. But yeah, you have to actually try to get overweight if you have a limited volume. So yeah. Anyway, Amazon is a good thing in some ways and a pain in the butt in others. But that's okay. Anyway, I've got this. I'm going to try to get a few things set up before I go to bed and then try to get over and when I wake up, try to get over and offload some stuff, get back here and make another, load some more stuff up, get some more stuff packed. Oh, I need to make a phone call and find out, do I need to make an inventory for my boxes? Boy, that's going to be a nightmare if I do. Oh, shit. I should have asked that before. I need to make that phone call. It is what it is. Anyway, uh, this is a good thing. Trying to get the stuff taken care of, and it's getting taken care of. It's also wearing me out. I'm going to need retirement, really, real soon. It's a good thing it's so close. Uh, that's a good thing. Anyway, I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thanks, Dan. And yeah, things are getting empty around here. Yeah, faster than I want to admit. It's kind of like with my bench over there. I got a bunch of paperwork. I just need to get it all finished up and some copies made and put it all where it actually goes. Maybe a half hour. Okay, hang on. I've been way underestimating, so 3, hope not. Half hour. I'm hoping. 2 at the max. 2 at the max. If it gets past 2 hours, I'm just going to shove it all in a suitcase and carry it with me. Just saying. Anyway, I'm William Williams Philippines. Like, comment, subscribe. That is your choice. You get to be you. Do you. Don't worry about others. This is my weekend, and I'm going to enjoy rush. Anyway, I'm happy it's happening. Lots of friends, lots of food, and lots of family, and more food. A lot more food. I'm Fish, and hey, Fish is out.